Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Benchmade Mini Coalition. So this is a button lock automatic knife, and the overall length on this guy is 6.78 inches. Blade length is 2.87 inches. It is S30V steel. Handle length is just under 4 inches, 3.9 inches. And you got aluminum handles with G10 inlays there. Gives you a nice grip. Deep carry pocket clip for tip up right or left carry. And here's your size comparison next to a Benchmade sequel. Overall weight is 2.63 ounces, and it actually comes in some different options as well. You can get black DLC coated blade or serrations, or both like you have here. Guys, go ahead and check this knife out on our website, bladehq.com, and buy it. It's the Benchmade Mini Coalition.